What's good, man? What's good? What's good, everybody? Welcome to the channel again, man. What I'm doing right here, man, this is a 2008 Dodge Charger with a 3.5 in it. 100,000 miles, I think. And what I'm doing is a timing belt. Now, y'all know I can't really do tutorial videos per se here on like how to replace the timing belt or whatever, but I can talk, and that's what I'm gonna do, man. This timing belt, man, it's very important, man. Yeah, your car gonna either have a timing belt or a timing chain. And this particular car is equipped with a timing belt. All right, and it has a change interval, and I suggest you follow that change interval, because if your timing belt break, you stop. You don't go anymore. As opposed to a timing chain, I have yet to see a timing chain break. I have seen one stretch, but that can also cause drivability concerns, you know, because it'll knock your air-fuel ratio off and start messing with your timing and stuff like that. But this belt, man, now like I say, this car is right at 100,000 miles. I think the maintenance interval is like 120, but by no means should you wait that long to replace your timing belt. They all different, but I think if you did like an average of all of them, and you shouldn't really go by average, you should go by what your manufacturer recommend. But if somebody that's out there in the field suggests you do it sooner because they've seen them break a whole lot sooner, then yes, you should probably do it sooner. Say for instance, like the P0300. I've seen a timing belt break on those as early as 82,000 miles. Now the manufacturer recommend you replace it at 102 if it's a turbo or something like that, but I would not wait that long to do a timing belt. Okay, and another unique thing, well, it's not really unique, but another thing you should do while you're doing timing belt is go ahead and replace the water pump, because chances are your timing belt also drives your water pump. Okay, and if you want to go through the trouble of taking all this stuff off to get to your timing belt and replace it, you might as well replace the water pump while you're in there. That'll save you the trouble of having to go back in there to replace your water pump when it fails, because it will fail. They all fail over time. That's not really a change interval for water pumps, but you know, those can go as long as the durability will let it. You know, see what I'm saying? If it was built with quality, chances are it's going to last longer. But a timing belt can wear or stretch in different ways. That's why they have like a time interval on when to change it. So I don't want this talk session to be long, because that's all it is. I'm just chatting, man. I can blog at work. I can't do tutorial videos at work. So if your car is equipped with a timing belt, I suggest you look at your owner's manual and find out when you should replace it. Okay, even if you just bought the car, if you got a car used, try to find out the previous owner had it replaced. If not, you get it replaced, so you have a peace of mind knowing that it's been replaced. See what I'm saying? So it's all about peace of mind, man. There's nothing worse than driving on the freeway or driving down the road and your car just totally quit because your timing belt broke. Not only that, you can cause some major engine damage when your timing belt breaks, because as you driving, especially high speed, that piston's still going up and down. Oh man, it could easily bump into a valve and bend the valve. Then you will need engine work. So find out if your timing belt been done and get it replaced if it hasn't been done, so you will have a peace of mind. All right, I don't want this talk session to be long. I got to put the rest of this stuff on. Pulley, I also do pulleys when I do 3.5s, and I also do the water pump, like I say. Anything that's in there that's wearable, like cam gears is not really a wear item. The water pump is a wear item, and the pulley on the tensioner is a wear item. The hydraulic tensioner, it's not really a wear item. I mean, it's hydraulic, so, you know, but for the most part, that's all wearable things inside of here that I'm replacing. All right, let me finish up, people. I see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.